fish amino acid. I got this off of a friend from Neverwinter Farms. This is his FAA. He's got a buddy that is a fisherman, so he goes to his friend all the time to get fish off of him. He loves fish. I'm not a big fan of fish myself, so I don't want to go out there and go fishing. So if you love fishing, but let's say you come home and you're eating up some parts and you've got a whole bunch of heads and tails left over, whatever you're not eating. You take all your fish, same thing that you do with the rest of the inputs, equal weights of brown sugar, put it in a bucket, shove it down, let it ferment for a long time. Fish amino acid takes a long time to ferment. But this could be used all throughout the growth of your plants. A little bit more during the beginning of your plants because they need a little bit more of that nitrogen. Not so much towards the end. This has a lot of nitrogen-rich nutrients and enzymes and stuff like that in it. And like, for example, if I couldn't make it myself, you could always buy it off of somebody else. This is Conscience Natural Inputs. Before I started making my own K&F inputs, I was getting his just to test the waters and to see if I liked it or not. And then after that, some things are easy to get. The salt's easy to get. The brown rice vinegar is easy to get. You could get this. It's easy to buy it and just give it a try if you wanted to grow organically.
This clip is brought to you by AC Infinity. Use discount code MrGrow at 15 to save on any of their products.